Hey, welcome back to Donating Horsepower. I know I've been away for like 10 months, and that's because I've been having way too much fun with my gaming channel, Unorthodox Master of Games. But it only has 30 subscribers in a year and a half, so, I'm having fun with it, but I guess people, they just don't know about it. But anyways, for this channel, I'm sitting in my 89 Lincoln Town Car, and this car I'm planning to donate, if the stars align and everything goes well, by I think May, maybe like end of May. That'd be a good goal for it. And actually, the inspection sticker is going to expire in the month of May, so I mean, I'd want to get a fresh inspection sticker, before I send it off, before the person has to immediately get a new one. But I think you have to get inspected when you buy it. Or actually, I don't know. I mean, the next person will figure out either way, because they'll be getting a free car, so it's all good. So some of the goals for donating horsepower is to see if this is sustainable. Giving stuff away, usually you can only do it so much before you need funding of some sort. So I'm gonna try to do this like on my tight budget of one guy working, and maybe eventually this channel could make money for itself, and that's how it could sustain itself. But I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And notice I said horsepower, so read into that, that's not just cars. So eventually you might be able to donate other things that put out horsepower. And I'll put a clip in here. You'll see the walk around the Pimpmobile, and it's a little rough on the outside, but on the inside it is like really nice in here for a 29-year-old car. And I mean, like, the radio doesn't work, but like I ain't too worried about it because I straight piped it. So even if the radio was working, I probably wouldn't be able to hear it anyways. So I mean, that straight pipe 5.0 it's music to my ears. Like, it sounds so good. I love it. But yeah, some of the things I'll probably try to fix up before I donate it is it needs new tires. Now I want to find some tires that have the white wall strip, which you'll see in the walk around, because it's classic on like a pimpin' car like this. So because I've seen people like try to do it themselves, but I mean, if I can find someone who did it and like it holds up well and it looks good, then maybe I'll try that. But I'd really like to find some tires that already have the white wall strip on it, because these tires are like 8 years old, and don't drive around on like 5+ year old tires, like me, knock on wood, because this car actually has wood in it, not fake wood like newer cars, that my tires don't blow out. But yeah, that'd be cool. And then I'm gonna do an oil change on it. I do oil changes on my own cars, especially since I have car ramps. And so yeah, I'll do that. That's pretty easy. And we're gonna plasti dip the exterior, except for like the the vinyl roof. But the paint is just it's seen better days. And my friend who sold this car to me, he also threw in some purple plasti dip, like that Mopar color. It's plum crazy. Yeah, that's what it's called. So we're gonna plasti dip Town Car plum crazy purple, and it might look good, it might not. And if it doesn't, we'll see what happens. Maybe this car actually might look really good, like murdered out black. Yeah, like smoked headlights and taillights and stuff like that, just black as night. Yeah, we'll see. But and then if you guys want me to do any more mods, or you think I should do besides like a wing, or maybe like a lip spoiler or something like that, be cool. But like not anything like a wing does not belong on this car. And so yeah, if you have any mod suggestions, put them in the comments and we'll see what happens. I mean, this car was only $500 after all, and for that money, it's held up. It's been driving around for like, I mean, I've been driving around, it hasn't been driving around itself, but I've been driving around for the past almost a year actually. And I mean, sometimes it takes a while for it to start up. Like you got to hold the key, and I mean that could be maybe a starter issue or something. But other than that, like this car is just, like keeps going. It's just an old tired 5.0, but it's just like a tank, like in the sense that it just doesn't break for a long time. I mean, if I hit like another car on this thing, like not that I would want to, but like this car would be fine. I mean, there's no airbag, so I'd just bang my head on the steering wheel and maybe crack my skull open. But you know, this car is just some solid, you know, old school American build quality. And yeah, that's about it. I can't think of anything else. But this, yes, like I said, this car will be donated, and also I'll make another video on how exactly I'll be donating cars, because I've thought of a few ideas, like different ways to donate them. And so you'll see that, and then yeah, it'll all be explained, because if I get into it now, it's just gonna ramble on. But yeah, this is the Pimpmobile, and we'll do some more videos on it before we donate it, and then we'll move on to Doho 2, because this is Doho 1. And I'm still figuring out what Doho 2 is going to be, but here's a hint, I already own the car, so there you go. All right, see you.